What's up, what's up? Today, we've got a bunch of errands to run. We're grabbing some railroad ties for the retaining wall for the shop. We are locked and loaded with some sods, because whenever I'm with my boy Valentino, we stay sipping on these cold ones, you know what I'm saying? And then we're picking up some wheels for the E21. They've been custom done. And stay tuned. Myself short every time. Whoa. When you tell the homie you'll be here at 10, be on time, little bitches. Be prompt. Be punctual.
Arrived.
This dude really out here with the fence closed, trying to hide from your boy. He just out here just living. Look at the shop, boy. I mean the yard. Shee. Hey, he just got this fresh winch install, dog. Hey, that's sturdy as a muff. What the fuck? Dude, there's one tack weld on the back of this thing. What the fuck?
His power kept shutting down.
Oh my god. Hey, but the new truck, fire. Zam. Zam. He said he got a camera. Let's see how good he is. What's he aiming for? Hey, this your first time? I thought you said there's a camera. Alright, he know what you doing. Let's see how this goes. Is it in park?
Should be neutral.
Yeah! For sure.
You think so?
What the hell are we gonna do with this?
Yeah, I feel like it's stuck in park.
Yeah, it's in something. Oh, that didn't start. I think this fucker's in park still. Well, I got a workout for today. Freaking come along, pulling off this freaking thing. Go help your friends, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Perfect. Dude better not hit the gas too hard. That motherfucking too. That two baby be flying right off. Think this new truck should work now.
There, it's about time.
Time to unload some ties. And let me tell you, I got an idea for this one. Hold on. Some technical difficulties on the first one. Nice.
Yeah.
No. No, thank you.
I've done it to a couple people.
I don't like it.
Or like, I did it to...
You snapped a few necks.
Well, not on camera.
What if you break it? Seth.
Well, and I did it
Hey,
to
you
my-
break it back and then you fucking gay.
No, I want to try the actual boba.
What type do you want?
He wants a chocolate milk tea with boba.
Boba?
Chocolate milk tea?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Look how neat we live on the hot fruit over here.
Oh, yeah.
Suck a boba in there. No, down lower.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Did you get one? Go up a little bit.
Sucker don't work.
Suck harder. There's one.
You need a bigger straw? Did you give him a tiny one?
No, that's the biggest straw. You taste them?
Yeah, that's different.
Here, now you
That's
suck.
different.
Here, now you suck on it.
No. Well, surprise for us.
Be cool, bro. Yep.
Knucklehead's such a funny word.
We out here making moves. Moving some product. Oh! Oh, this one's bleeding.
You know, I like the build more than the ownership. I sell them all, man.
Yeah.